Building your own artificial intelligence lab used to cost billions of dollars and required a massive skyscraper full of the smartest engineers on the planet. But what if you could essentially rent that entire capability for a fraction of the cost? That is the exact problem Prime Intellect is solving. And they just secured a massive $130 million series of funding round, pushing their valuation to a staggering $1 billion. The startup, which was only founded in 2024, provides the raw computing power and highly specialized software tools that allow everyday companies to build their own custom artificial intelligence agents. They want to give regular organizations the power to train specialized systems without constantly relying on the massive, secretive frontier labs like OpenAI or Google. A few years ago, this would have been a pipe dream, but thanks to massive leaps in reinforcement learning, where models are basically trained by being rewarded for getting things right and punished for messing up, a regular company can now become its own mini tech lab. The problem is that the underlying server infrastructure is still a complete nightmare to set up. Most companies do not have the technical chops to piece it all together. Prime Intellect acts as the ultimate middleman. They offer a full-stack platform that includes the necessary computer chips, the learning frameworks, and the testing tools, all set up like a modular marketplace. You just pick and choose what you need without getting locked into a massive, expensive ecosystem. Investors are going crazy for this. Heavy hitters like Intel Capital, NVIDIA Ventures, and founders from massive tech companies all threw money into this round. The crazy part is that Prime Intellect is already making serious cash, hitting an annualized revenue run rate of $100 million. Companies are flocking to them because they are terrified of handing over their private, proprietary data to the big tech giants. If you build your entire business on top of someone else's model, what happens if they suddenly change their rules or worse, just turn the server off? Prime Intellect is giving the power back to the enterprises. Their chief executive officer, Vincent Weiser, said it perfectly. He believes that the power to train these incredible models should not just belong to a few nerds sitting in a glass tower in San Francisco. It should be available to every single enterprise in every nation-state around the world.